Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain about the scavengers and predators, particularly in entomology. So these are the contents I am going to discuss with you. First of all, scavengers. In general, the term scavenger refers to a person who gathers things that have been discarded by others. So that's the same case in biology. Scavengers are the animals that feeds on the remains of other animals or the decomposing plant or animal matter, which means that these can be both herbivores and omnivores. Predators, as we all know, these are the organisms that hunt and kill other organisms for food. Now let us see this in detail. Scavenger insects are important to ecosystem in which they exist because they clear away the rotting flesh and vegetation found in the environment. They are omnivorous and they are found from the largest cats to smallest insects. And they also rely on the human for scavenging. So, particularly, let us see in detail about the flesh fly. It is also a scavenger. From the name itself, we can understand that these flies are typically feed upon the dead and living tissues of the animals, usually mammals. These feed upon the animal feces, especially the cow dung, etc. And the arthropods and warm-blooded or cold-blooded vertebrates, which includes the amphibian, fishes, birds, and mammals, etc. The adult are mostly vegetarian, which is interesting. These feed upon the honeydew, flower nectar, tree sap, and food juices. These are attracted by the Aster family. When coming to the life cycle, it completes its life cycle in 16 to 30 days. Instead of laying their eggs, they give birth to a young one and the larvae is found, which is transformed into the pupa and then into adult. As these population has not been yet under threat, these are not legally protected, especially the Canadian species. So physical appearances, it include its wide head, which is ranging from 2 to 18 millimeter long, and its color is black and gray with a white striped pattern, and its abdomen is fully red, and they have well developed antennae which are found feathery, and pollinator habitat that is omnivore and the adult is vegetarian. So that's all in pollinator habitat. So predators are the organisms that hunt and kill other organisms for food. Arthropod predators of insects and mites include these all, and they can be found all the parts of the plants and almost all agricultural and natural habitats. Predators feed upon any kind of prey, whether it is a male, female, or immature or adult. It feed upon any type. It can feed upon the prey which is larger than their size. They are generalists rather than specialists. They can feed upon anything they want. So now let us see detail in about the lady beetle. This is one of the common lady beetle we all know. So these feed upon particularly the aphids. There are 450 species that are found in North America. Its habitat include vegetables, grain crops, legumes, particularly in the agricultural field. So it is used to control the pest that is attacking your plant. So as we seen already, these feed upon the aphid species, and aphid species are the one which attack most variety of crops. So lady beetle is very helpful in controlling it. They prefer mite or scale species sometimes if aphids are absent. They are also feed upon the mites, thrips, moths, and beetles. Surprisingly, these are cannibalistic when it is short supply, or when it is in the case of short supply of other feed, the lady beetle itself feed upon their species. Now let us see in detail about the red uvid bug. So these are the very interesting species about the predator. What they actually do is they inject their rostrum, which is found in their head, into the body of the prey. It liquefies the whole body using its saliva, and then it sucks out as its feed. So the saliva contains the enzymes that digest the tissue they swallow. So these type of digestion is called extraoral digestion. Its saliva is that much effective, which means it kills the prey which is larger than its actual size. So its legs also contain some tiny hairs which helps to hold the prey tightly when they are predating. Some the saliva of these two species, Rhinocorsis marginatus and Catamaris, have been studied its activity against the gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. So these are mostly the bloodsucker rather than the predator, because it is a bloodsucker, and it is also called as the kissing bug because it bites the humans around the lips and the eyes. So it is called as kissing bug. That's all. And thank you.